I am Music Phil, and this is Yardstyle Live. You know, so on Yardstyle Live, I just we keep it real. And on today's episode of Yardstyle Live, today we have the Rebel Empress, Rebel Up, Yeza, on Yardstyle Live. Yes, we keep it real. Yardstyle Live. Check it out.
Yardstyle Live. Yardstyle Live. Wagwan, you're tuned to Yardstyle Live.
Hey, this is Yardstyle Live, brought to you by
Know Your Roots. The legendary Backyard Magazine.
Yo, this is Music Phil, and this is Yardstyle Live. And you know, on Yardstyle Live today we have the beautiful Rebel Up, as she first said Rebel Up enough. Yes, sir, Rebel Up, Yardstyle Live. Welcome to Yardstyle Live. Yeza, the first leader. Yeah, the first leader me know say Rebel Up. That a fear attack. You understand me? So Yeza, welcome to Yardstyle Live. So we do it. That's how we keep it real. People, this is Yeza. My Yardstyle Live. See?
Hello, everybody.
All right.
Rebel Up.
Rebel
you
Up.
don't know, here's another place, Music Field. Day one. You don't know, big up yourself.
All right.
Wow,
People,
wow.
we're there. So, Yeza, the right name, the name, Yeza, your name. What's your?
So, my government name, as we would all say, is Monique Chambers. Yeah.
Monique.
Why you want to know that?
Monique Chambers.
Mm-hmm.
Yeza.
And Yeza. I'm going to tell you how it match now. Because Yeza, the full name is Yezambique.
Yezambique.
And you know, like if you listen to Monique, you kind of hear the same ring towards the end. So it's like we kind of didn't play with that, but make it more African because I think Monique is a French name. When I have no French roots, when I come from France, so that didn't make any sense to me on my journey. So we kind of just make it more African.
Yeza, and we like it because nobody is not that.
Yeah, and it means strength and resilience.
Yeah, Yeza means strength and resilience. That's why for the first time I meet her, you say Rebel Up, that name that does resonate with me. If you notice when I text him one time, I say Rebel Up.
Yeah. You always say Rebel Up.
Yeah, so it's just a name when we just mark and say, if you're going on my phone and you say Yeza, Rebel Up.
Mad.
As some use are marked in everything. So how did you get started in this music business, you know?
How I get started? I just do it. Just get up and do it. I did always interested in doing music. I was always a writer, always a amateur singer until my dad was a supporter because him and Bulby used to par when them did younger and things. So the moment him found out I could sing or write, he started to encourage me from a young age.
Okay.
And him started to just plant a lot of seeds from them time there, but I never really take it serious. I'm still at the school. So basically, after a while, I started to really understand, say, music is something where if I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna regret it. So after I leave school, which is Murray Grove High School, I decided that I was going to take a shot and call my father and say, oh, Daddy, I'm gonna do music, you know.
He was like, what?
And him say, yeah, mom, daughter, do it. And then that was it, yeah. After I leave college, by the way, it wasn't after I leave high school.
Yeah, because you know them strict on the education.
Yeah, they're very strict. So it's like you have to go to school first.
So who were your earliest influences in the music?
Earliest influence, at the time, I listened to a lot of Raging Fire.
Yeah.
I listened to a lot of Kabaka Pyramid, Janine. But in terms of earliest influence from them time there, my parents basically providing the inspiration for me. So like whatever them I listen to is who me did I listen to, because that was around me. So like I would hear Anita Baker, I would hear Bob Marley, I would hear some mixture of Janet Jackson from my mother, Destiny's Child from my mother and my stepmother. So yeah, them the people are some big influence.
All right. Where are you from originally?
I'm from Bull Bay.
What? East side? Yeah.
East side.
Yeah. Where exactly
East side.
in Bull Bay you from?
So Star the East Lane is where I grew up, and that's 8 Mile Bull Bay.
Okay.
Basically, I spent like I spent the majority of my childhood there. So yeah.
All right. As I say, recording now. What was your first like experience you have on stage, which it's still in your brain to this day? Whether it's a good experience, bad experience, which you can name one. If you want, you can name two. But I just want to know that with you, what you felt like, with your first performance, how people responded to you.
I think one of the most memorable stage performances for me was the launch of my first single, Everything Is Airy. The video launch. We had a video launch party, and the reason why that is the most memorable moment for me is because it was my first single, and we just come on the scene, and we decided to keep a show, and the turnout and the energy when we did get from that show there, it's just like no negativity at all was in the place. And this is not to say that we get negativity from other performances, but there was just like an overwhelming love and support that night. The crowd literally was just like roaring to every single thing. All when me I say foolishness, them are roar see me, and I'm like, wow, So I think that was the most memorable moment. Second one was when I did Dre Island live.
Okay.
Up by Skyline level. Yeah, that night was magical. Why? Because like me I perform alongside Dre Island, Chronics, and them people where
the heavyweights.
When me literally like I listened to at one point in a college, and then like me I say, wow, so I actually transition now where me actually have, I like Edwin Demania as good as in Jamaica, which is really, really cool. So yeah.
All right. So your first recording. What was your first official recording for Yeza? That was what that basically put you there and said, wow, my name is in that space now. It's recognized. It's recorded. It's stated. It's there. That's my space.
Everything Is Airy was my first recording, and that was in 2017.
Yes. Yeah, I know me played first too.
Yeah, music film.
Yeah.
Endas, Everything Is Airy.
Yeah.
First and foremost.
Yeah.
You see me I say? So big up music film.
Never
ever I gotta forget that in a music.
Yeah, man.
Like,
that was
seriously.
2017, so I have to make sure. Yardstyle, like me, give them credit. Yeah, take my credit. Yeah.
Take your credit.
Yeah. 2017. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. See, Everything Is Airy by Bobby Digital.
Yeah,
See?
yeah.
The rhythm is called Hot Milk.
Hot Milk rhythm.
Yeah. All right. Yes, sir. Give them peace out right there, sir. Everything Is Airy.
You know it's Yeza up on your radio. We come from mash up every stereo. No worry about a thing because we bills them pay. From east side to Yardstyle, we links in. We don't have to worry about no airplay. So book your speakers when you hear me. Music feel say I'm not gonna stop at all when the soldiers are come. Cause the lyrics we are spit it sweet like bubble gum. No bring no bad vibes beside way. Cause everything is irate. And I said everything is irate. Do not bring no bad vibes beside way. Music feel always say everything is irate. Do not bring no bad vibes beside way. Rebel up.
Yeah, man. And with that song, your song, resurrect back somebody, resurrect back the cockatoo and rhythm, no threat, and it resurrect Shabaranks. Respect. You see the elders them?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
when me that play that song there, if I take every one of them song they come back to life. It's not saying they're dead, but it takes somebody like Yeza to really bring that back. So me they congratulate that brother. Cause when me start play it, everybody go back and play the rest of the song them too.
True, man.
Yeah, man. So big up. So the other song now, but Yeza did boss with too. I can tell you, but is that song with the name Nah Go Argue. Yeah, and that upon Stalag with it. How did you come about? Alright. So you have 1, 2 songs for Bobby Digital now. How did that link with Yeza come with, Bobby Digital are the king of one drop?
Yeah.
How did that link family with Bobby Digital?
So so basically we did actually download the rhythm from off of the internet, and we say we're gonna do a mixtape, but unofficial. So it's like we are say, but one of the people in our camp at the time, he must say, yo, you know, say him actually know the owner for the rhythm, and we are say, for real. So me and Travis will go down there and we link and we say, yo, I wonder if we could actually do it official instead of just sit on the rhythm sound, it no mixed or nothing.
Yeah.
So that's how we actually ended up going down there and linking him up and say, you know, talking to him, and then we met Calibod, and Calibod I say, yo, him rate the song and him willing to actually work with it on the song with his cut of the rhythm and thing. Yeah, and even with Irie too, that was the same conversation, and then we make it happen.
People, and I want to do body song too. I tell you, now go argue. See? So, Yeza.
Give thanks.
So where has music taken Yeza?
Music has taken me, what do you mean, like physically, mentally?
Every alley.
Every alley?
Yeah.
It's a journey. It's a wonderful journey. And obviously, with every journey, it comes with its pitfalls and ups and downs. But it's really the importance of what you learn and what you can take from it and develop yourself, I think, is the most important part. And where that is concerned, music has been developing me in ways that I never really imagined. You know, in terms of just your character. As a woman, and as an artist in general, you have to kind of have certain types of, you know, strength and resilience, as my name say, to kind of operate in this industry and not giving up, you know. So I think it built my character a whole heap, and I give thanks for that.
So listening to your songs and see how you know, operate, carry yourself and your mindset, I can see Yeza is not just any artist. Yeza, you're more like a roots reggae / you know, dancehall artist. You know, you have all genres covered. You have all genres covered, and I like the part where you take. So you have been like, in terms of your career, I know you have been like all over Jamaica. So where does it take you, like, apart from, you know, have you done any traveling in terms of your career? Like,
yeah, man. So I got the opportunity to do a tour in the UK in 2018.
Yeah. I think in the UK, I think.
Yeah, in England. So that did mad, you know. Again, that was a beautiful moment in the journey because I got to see my mother, who I never did see for much years, because she was over there living, and it's like, you know, she couldn't believe that music actually
make me
reach a foreign and come see she. So she started to even respect the craft a little bit more after that. So yeah, man, the journey was good, and the people they loved the music at the time. We did a push Irie, and yeah, man, everywhere that I performed Irie, it got a really good response from the people. So that was, you know.
All right. So apart from Everything Is Irie and Naga Argue, which other songs did you have in the span of your career that, you know, made Yeza?
Yeah, man. So in the catalog we have No Trouble Way. Also, I did a collaboration with Turbulence, you know, Black Hero, Rebel Code. There's also Rebel Empress, where it was actually on the Oneness Records label, with featuring the queen them such as Kelisa, and as a lineage.
I think it was a thing with all females.
Yes, all females rollout thing. Empress, all of them on it, and it was a mad thing. The recent single is Kingdom.
Right, that is where we reach now.
Yeah, Kingdom.
So me get this new single, Kingdom by Yeza, which me wait for from months for now. Finally dropping in my hand. How did that vibe come about with this song you don't name Kingdom? How did that you get that mix to say, yo, this are the song where me I go to know, so when me then know, because this is my new song where me I run with now.
Yeah. So Kingdom come about because, like, you know, for the past couple months, the world has been going through a one bag of things.
One metamorphosis of problems.
Yeah, man. One bag of halabaloo and things. So it's like, it kind of, for me, the energy where I get from the media, the energy where I get from all of these things, is like them want we kind of just be afraid, just go to a little corner and just accept whatever comes. But so when me say me not sleep, me want keys to the kingdom, it means say yo, me not depend that. You see me I say me not really depend the kind of fear tactics so now pushing on me. Some of us sit on one side and we can't travel if me not do this and do that and way. So I decided to say no. So kingdom is like a reinstatement and a rejection too of all of them something there. And
Basically,
I say, well,
as you said, it's a rebel. Like when you say rebel up, it's like a rebellious message you said, you know, in a little sublingual way.
Yeah, subliminal way, yeah. It's like me I say, no, I'm not depend that. We still have focus, we're gonna build the keys for the kingdom because we have to reach far like airline as the song says. Have to reach far like airline, you see me? So that's at the mood, that's at the vibe.
Alright. What is it like to be a female artist in this very competitive business of, you know, reggae music, dancer?
As a female being in the business, well, you don't gonna get the regular heartache as every artist, male or female, because the industry is a tough place. But for me, being a female, you get a little bit more heartache from the top because you have to go pay attention to all of these other things such as self-image, how you look, how men are gonna operate around you, all of these other things, and you know, we come with it. I don't have to spell it out, we know the drill, but yeah, it does make it a little bit more complex to kind of maneuver through the industry. So yeah, I think I would have said being a female in the industry, you have to hold your own, you have to be mentally strong, and you have to know exactly what you want beforehand.
Yeah, but like what you stressed about it beforehand.
Yeah.
All right, so what does Yeza do to remain, like, I don't want to say relevant, but just to keep focus in this time of great distraction, like, how you hold your meds?
I think you just have to hold the meds, really. Just focus on what you do, starve your distractions, and focus more upon your focus. Really, very simple.
Other females out there, when you hear that, Yeza more, you repeat back that line there. No?
Starve your distractions and focus on your focus. Like whatever it is that you want to do, spend more time on that, spend less time on way. No matter, you understand? It's very simple. A lot of people, when them do what them not to do, them know it. They know it. You see, nobody need to spell it out for you. But we don't have discipline, and that's the thing. So we get carried away with it. So really just that.
All right. 5 years from now, we just give that time. Because we're in a little crazy time. Where do you see Yeza?
I see myself impacting the world, spreading the message globally, actually having, you know, catalogs of different music, albums, and really just impacting the world how I really want to, with the message of upliftment, positivity, and all of those things, you know.
All right. Where can we find Yeza on social media?
You can find me at YEZA _ music. That's Yeza Music on all platforms. Spotify, Stream Kingdom too, you know.
Yeah, stream it.
Spotify, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, same thing. YEZA Music.
And you're currently under management, as you say.
Huh?
You're under management, as you say.
Yeah, we're independent, but definitely independent management. So big up the whole team.
Yeah, I don't want your company and don't big up management.
Of course.
You know?
Travis.
Yeah, big up Travis.
Big up Travis, Antoinette, big up Xavier. So a little bit, but you know.
No, sometimes on another side of the circle.
Yeah.
There's people that in it, isn't it?
True.
Yeah, man. So people.
Day one, so Travis are from day one, so I have to big him up.
Yeah.
Much respect.
Well, yes, this has been Yardstyle Live. I thank you for being a part of the Yardstyle Life experience.
Rebel.
Yeah, I mean, like the director of your life, where your career is taking, you're slowly building your catalog of songs. I can say anytime I post something, I get all of likes. And we're going to support you on your new project, which is Kingdom.
You already have been supporting me on a new project.
No, but tell them again, because I want the people to hear.
Mad.
Yeah, and we're going to support you on a new project, which is Kingdom. And any other project where Yeza have, you don't know music field, DJ Spoogie, the whole team. I've got full, whenever I've got endorse it, I've got full dance it, because you are my Yardstyle Live, and at Yeza, we keep it real.
Keep it real.
Yeah, and Yeza there, rebel up. Yardstyle Live, rebel up.
This segment is brought to you by Willie's Flash Roof and Cool Out Spot.
Yo, this is Music Phil, and this is Yardstyle Live. You don't know, on Yardstyle Live today we have Yeza, Rebel Up. I know, so we're Rebel Up in a different style. Yeza, step up.
Ones and ones, yeah. You know it's Yes Up on your radio. We come for mash up every stereo. No worry about a thing because we bills them pay. From Bull Bay to Yardstyle, we link same way. We not fi worry about no airplay. So book your speakers when you hear me. Me not fi stop at all when the soldiers are come. Cause the lyrics me a spit it sweet like bubble gum. No bring no bad vibes beside me. Cause everything is irate. Yes, everything is irate. Do not bring no bad vibes beside me. Yes, everything is irate. Do not bring no bad vibes beside me. Cup of tea out at Yardstyle, start up my day. I keep with liquor color when I'm a plate. We not go take no call, too tough same way. So leave a message from my vice mate. To the sweet Mother Earth, we a give praise. Go back through the gate with your screw face. No come my Yardstyle with your eyebrow twist up. Cause we don't want no screw face when the music a jump. Yeah, you don't know. Yardstyle Live, we ain't at the place, Yeza. I was a Rebel Up. No, not for about no airplane. So right about now, we're getting another one, yeah? Big up all of the Bounty Killer fan them, you don't know. With a Yardstyle, big up Music Phil. Big up SK, with there. Yeza, Rebel Up. Rebel music, you know? Yeah, yo. Yeah, yo. Never quit a fire, spitter like Beretta. You see me lip and burn up, then you know it's not a cigarette or liquor. Smoke detector for the heat when me a flicker. From year 91, Mr. the Killer. I know me them war running, enough of them not getting a strength, no one for see that. So me have a big up, put it, set it, first big gun, Godzilla. Tell them anytime we hungry for the dinner. We a come for rice and pizza, tell the chef them better ready for deliver. No stamina, we see them a beginner. Heavyweight contender, knock them out and call it thriller in Manila. No call the youth, no nigga is a niggas. The brands you wearing never sponsor youths a teacup. How you a hype up in a Gucci like a idiot. You think I'm out your mother playing off a feed you. You blast the most and under dance and you can't keep up. And when the time for raise the youth, your pocket seize up. Look into my eyes, this is not a joke. Better careful about the things you want promote. Tell them once again, this is not a game. Recite the things where them I do no fear look of fame. And I say, just tell me what you see when you look on me. Cause the whole of we I get a youth on the try. Oh nah, yeah. Tell me what you see when you look on me. Cause the whole of we I get a youth on the track. Here we killer say, look into my eyes, tell me what you see. Can you feel my pain? Am I your enemy? Show us a better way. Things are really bad. The only friend I know is this mic I have. Listen to my voice. This is not a threat. I know you see the voice. Are you worried yet? You've been talking about the want the war to cease. But when you show us hope, then we will show you peace. And I said, tell me what you see when you look on me. Cause the whole of we get a youth on the track. Oh Lord of mercy. Yardstyle Live, yes, another place. Spooky, spin that one there again. Give me a little space, nah. Make up us the place, yeah. Accelerate. No more flash past your eye like a shutter speed. Better never see it. Now sleep till a daytime, cause a dog eat dog in a late night. Off me reach far like airline, that's why me keep sharp like K9. Never stay low, off a stay fly. When I walk with fear, no stage fright. I will not pre-loose talk from the grapevine. I no pre-scoot on with a playtime. Now sleep one keys to the kingdom. So me knock it on like 6 pounds. Every day me rise up and give thanks. So I'm pre, can pre from a distance. Hardcore like flow symptoms. kingdoms. So me knock it out like 6 pounds. Rise up, fall, still I give thanks to one can pre. Them a panic and a frolic through my choppings enigmatic. And a regular me clap it, type of flow, no shot a topic. Work for mine, rise the matic, black woman, ya supersonic. Longer catch me in a traffic, and me drop a automatic. Never drop this down, I never desperate. Better know we're stuck in the inventory, oh yeah. We don't know them story. Focus on the goal for make the history, oh. Now sleep on keys to the kingdom. So me knock it out like 6 pounds. Every day me rise up, I give thanks to one can pre from a distance. Hardcore like flu symptoms. So me knock it out like 6 pounds. Rise up fast till I give thanks to one can pre. I miss it. Youth have to reach no. What's that when I start try one time for the real thugs? Yeah. One day we have to reach. We teach them also for hunt for the cheese. Oh, for move like the old, just a chop through the trees. Never sell out, no soul. Never sign up, no deal. No blood, never spill. So when nice up the meal. East side, I'm a place. Starlion, oh you mean? Fresh to the death, every step ever clean. And appear red, yeah, you have to carry Visine. But at them time, that we are gonna shell it down. Now stop creep till we step it up. Pure blue sky, tell me feather done. Fully bad them off and know where we get it from, yo, yo. Yeah, man, Yardstyle vibes today, you know. Rebel up. Here's another building.
And you don't know a Yardstyle live this, I know, sir. On Yardstyle live today, we have the Rebel Empress, Yeza. And you don't know, Yardstyle live, keep it real. You know, so Yeza, we have show about the artists, my artists like Yeza. You don't know, welcome anytime on Yardstyle live. So people, Yardstyle live, yes, we keep it real. People do remember to support Yeza. A new song, it's called
Kingdom.
Yeah, man, it's on all digital platforms. So just stream it, share it, download it. You know, give it to a friend, tell a friend. You understand me? So Yardstyle live. Yes, so we keep it real. We have it.
This segment is brought to you by Jamrock Record Publishing. This week's Upper Road mixtape is Journey by DJ Dan Kingston. And our next mixtape is Days by DJ Kenny. And our next mixtape is Good Man by DJ Dan Kingston. And our next mixtape is Street Cred by DJ Kenny. This week's Primetime Showcase is Never Gonna Give You Up by Junior Culture.
Said I never gonna, never gonna, said I never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around, girl, and hurt you. Said I never gonna make you cry, never gonna say goodbye, never gonna tell a lie and desert you. Said I never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around, girl, and hurt you.
Our next showcase is Inna the Bima by King Ziddy. Inna the Bima.
Inna the Bima, 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 Inna the Bima, Bima, Bima. Yeah, man, you don't know it. Say you don't know the root of the fruit of the JT music. Me take any boy, girl, and me I drive a Bima. Inna the Bima, inna the Bima. Girl, them say them love to see the red interior. Inna the Bima, inna the Bima. Who that no King City that inna the Bima? I mean, say money, no say man a stinger. So all you a go tell me, say me and a killer. When me I drive a Bima, you a drive a Tida.
And our next showcase is Yardman by Hollanai.
I am the real original Jamaican man. I'm a proud of where me come from. I coulda never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican. I coulda America or I coulda England. Man, yard man. So I coulda never forget where me come from. No matter where me do, me a born Jamaican. I coulda Canada or I coulda Thailand. Man, yard. Original yard man. Advanced like internet broadband.
And our next showcase is Papi Show by Abby Dallas.
Some boy a boss and a go on and can't do the work. Cute face, tight pants and can't mash it up. Have a bag of girl in a rotation. When you check it out, him a dopey portion. Hype and a go on and can't do the work. Cute face, tight pants and can't mash it up. Have a bag of girl in a rotation. When you check it out, him can't please man. Come do me ear slipping on my liquor Vicky. Real hot for the work you want for read it this me. With your liquor shrimp. I can't please nobody. Me no wanna take a list, so me not hurry. Ya know me sorry for the girl we come after me. She a go mug up on your arm, think she win the Grammy. When you introduce her to your little teeny wheelie, she a go dash away like Granny old Jimmy. Some boy a boss and a go on and can't do the work.
And this is your girl, Liziana. You can follow me on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and also Facebook. People, make sure you follow Lizine Yardstyle.
Wagwan, you're tuned to Yardstyle Live.
I'm your girl Kenisha with this week's new releases. Days Rhythm, produced by Howard Entertainment Group and DJ Insane Yo. Featuring songs like My Woman, Mr. Wells.
Girl, you drive me crazy. Everything amazing. 'Cause you are
Girl Like You, Caution Kush.
And I'm me a the man for me. Long distance. Here we still see. Listen to his story.
Live Life, Jojo, sing a that.
for the life you live. Care for each other, give it what you can give. Memory is life, there's more than vanity. So think carefully.
Arias' new album, In My Own Words. Featuring songs like So Many Girls Like Me, Jaja Noah, and sweet reggae music.
But you're the only one I see. It's Arias, beautiful baby. So many girls in the world, but you're the one I see.
I'm your girl Kenisha, and that was this week's new releases. I'm out.
It's so many, it's so many, so many girls.
This segment is brought to you by Willie's Flash Roof and Cool Out Spot.
This is Music Phil, and this is this week's Hot 5 Picks. Number 5, Can't Get Enough by Digital Champ. Number 5.
5.
Number 4, By My Side, La Viedo.
4.
Number 3. Number 3. Yeah, 3. 1, 2, 3. Right Fit, Itake featuring Luja. That was number 3.
3.
Number 2, Puppy Show by the First Lady of Yardstyle Life, Abby Dallas.
2.
And number 1 this week, numero uno, standing strong, is Bad Girl Ride by the legendary General Degree.
1.
This is Music Phil, and this has been my Hot 5 picks.
Wagwan, you're tuned to Yardstyle Live.
This is Music Phil.
This is DJ Spooky.
With fling back, fling back, fling back, fling back, fling back.
Rotted Rhythm Review.
This week's rhythm is
Bada Bada.
All right, Bada Bada Rhythm, produced by King Jamis. I wish he had come out again. Let me look. I think at 99 to 2000. 99. Yo, what? 99. Yeah,
man.
Yeah, man. Bad Rhythm is one of the rhythm where they change the flow of dancehall. You understand? Me produced by, War 21, big up Soko.
And King Jamis.
Yeah, big up Soko. The whole War 21 crew. Mean Dog. And Rum Blood, yeah, you understand me. So it was one of them rhythm where they did have a whole heap. It's like when Bada Bada they come out, it's like them have a couple songs on it, and after a while it just balloon out. Whole heap of somebody they on it.
Yeah, man.
Well, me remember say, Spooky, I can tell you my favorite song on it. You see the Zebra, say last year I tell me if you want. Yeah, man.
Bad tune.
Yes. And who else did on it where did start to get a feature? Sean Paul did up on it.
Yeah.
Faded. And who else I can't remember on him now?
Mr. Vegas.
Mr. Vegas?
Yeah.
All right. Remember saying he'd have a Lexus on it, Mr. Lex, sorry.
Mr. Lex.
Well, Mr. Lex sang the name again.
Get with it.
Yeah. Gonna make some money, with them did it. Two guys, you're damn whether I did it. But there's also a song on it where did cause some controversy.
Which song that again?
Beanie Man song. What Beanie Man sang the name again?
Walla Walla.
Yeah. But the other song now, remember the two artists here, Beanie and Bounty.
Yeah.
Bounty never really voiced for them. Bounty put out. It was a mega mix.
It's a mega mix remix.
It named Psychomed.
Yeah.
With War 21. You see me?
It's like a medley.
It was a medley mix. That song that was basically an experiment for War 21. You see me? It was something when never really supposed to come out, and due to them did play a song to King Jamis and it leak out and then play it, and it just eventually became a song. It's actually like a remix. Yeah. And as me can say from Bada Bada, there were several other songs and really, because me tell you say after a while everybody did one voice from Bada Bada. Some brother did name I Lou. And some other people did that, but
Chuck Fender did on it.
Chuck Fender did on it.
I
remember what the Chuck Fender did name again.
I couldn't weed them at try.
Yeah, I couldn't weed them at try. Bada Bada. Yeah, you see me. So Bada Bada was one of the songs that come out on King Jamis Day, but then they call it. What the label did name again? Kingston 11. Remember I said Jamis about? I think it was
Kingston 11.
Kingston 11. Yeah.
Blue.
Yeah, Blue label like. Yeah. Yeah. Cause you have a next label name, Mentally Disturbed.
Yeah.
But that's for one next rhythm. Zane?
Yeah.
So on the rhythm now, Bada Bada, I'll do a portion of song come up on the rhythm. When Bada Bada did forward out, it did have a big clout in the dance. Everybody did one voice on it. You could have played Bada Bada like till you know Bada. Whole heap of song. It's like that part of the business is when dancehall did evolve again.
Yeah.
You see me? So it evolved with a beat there, because I can tell you some portion, so when Bada Bada come out, some people in the business which we can call them say, yo, that rhythm are foolishness. But you see, once the radio man them and the some of them start beat it and cut dub,
yeah, rhythm gone.
Rhythm gone, cause enough record me sell. Yeah, me can tell you. Whole heap of trip me that for make with jammies and dynamic sounds and them place. Spooky, who you think take the rhythm?
Rhythm to me, Miss Alex.
Miss Alex?
Yeah.
Spooky, you have one more again?
One more pick?
Yeah, me I get one more pick, man. One pick I pick, you know.
But that's the beanie, man.
Alright.
Walla walla.
Alright. My side now. It's the Bounty Killer. And the brother incarcerated name again. Zebra.
Zebra.
Yeah. Yeah. Zane.
Yeah.
And me I gonna put one more on it, you know. You say Lex. It's Alex. But Spooky, how you rate it? We're gonna compare the scores.
Would I give like 10 out of 10?
Well, at the same thing me I pre still, you know. Because I did say 9, but remember some other song did depend.
Yeah.
I'm not fighting a ring, but this is just my opinion. Bada Bada was produced in a time, as me say, when dancehall evolved. So you know when dancehall evolved, you have some people that say, no, we don't like it. And then Bada Bada was made and it changed dancehall. So anything we are going to change dancehall from a different beat and a different vibe, I'm all with it. So Bada Bada, 10 for me, 10. Our next rhythm. Yeah, from my favorite producers, Steely and Cleve. I read him the name. Nine Night.
Yeah, man.
You have people in the general public dancehall or anywhere in the world. For them say 9 Night, they talk about some like a dead something. Because when the rhythm come out, some of the rest of them, they burn them out and say, Steely, what kind of graveyard rhythm that? And Steely say, I'm the rhythm. Now the rhythm, I tell you about the beat of the rhythm. If you listen to the beat of the rhythm, you can say it come from with Jamaican heritage plus with a little African thing in it. You see me now, Kumina. Mentor beat.
Yeah.
And me can tell you all this rhythm build. Steely, Mother, a 12 tribes.
12 tribes, yeah.
Yeah. And then we still got the 12 tribe thing with the beat. If you go one like a 9 Night something, you got hear it. You know? And Steely there, and Steely build everything. That is how everything was it built from an actual 9 Night, Naya Bingy settings. Rhythm, bad. Bad. Me just tell about the rhythm. Me never tell about the song upon it. It so sound like an authentic dance rhythm. It mash up the place. When me there sell record, everything on the rhythm done. You see, and the rhythm they come out 2001.
2001. Yeah.
And next rhythm will come and just change the face again. I think 9 Night one sound like something like reggaeton too.
Yeah.
Yeah, it have a little reggaeton thing in it. The song upon it was it bad. Can't tell you. You have. Alright, it's upon the rhythm there. Smokey. Goofy. And that's a Goofy to get baptized. Steely baptized him and call him Mr. G. Because I said a Goofy thing then not gonna work. Not gonna work. So him say Mr. G. And Mr. G never sang him Old Crook. Yeah. Yeah. But that song there make no more Goofy. Mr. G. Then you have a next bridging on it now. The little kettle drum bridge in there. Determine him have a song on it near wrapping up rhymes. Are the baddest Determine ever in a while. The way that song they mix and way Determined flow upon it, wow. I've been wrapping up rhymes here from Steel. Me there have
straight on the rhythm. Straight.
Are the baddest Determined ever here. On a dance already.
Yeah,
and who again on it now? Can me just take off 1, 2 in. Some of the well let me finish my other one on it now. Zane. Me see you did have Bling Dog on it now.
Yeah.
A shot at thing. You know, yeah. My song that spoke your song. Yeah.
My song now.
Yeah.
It's Alex.
Yeah. What's Alex song him again? Or if you want run the place. Yeah, run the place. Yeah. Funny man. Alright. And what again now? That Mr. Alex.
I have Polish.
Yeah, I'm gonna Polish and
Sweetie Joe.
yeah, the song name again. Woman is real
Woman
to
is
me.
real to me.
Yeah.
Real.
Yeah, cause that you see it? See the reading near 9 Night and is a gospel song.
Gospel song, yeah.
Yeah, God is real. Christ. So him just put woman is so real to me. Alright, and what again now? Which other song for it now? That 1, 2, 3, 4. O'Neal Bryan man. Elephant Man. Elephant Man sang the name again.
Wine Go Down Low.
Wine Go Down Low. Yeah, that was not this Elephant Man just jump on rhythm and attack it and it bad. You see me? So I mean 9 Night was a rhythm where they disturb dance. Like when 9 Night rhythm I play, you could have feel this look cool with that thing, you know.
Yeah,
when we listen to 9 Night up to now, I still can feel some of my African roots tonight, you know, the 9/9 settings, you know, the Naya Bingy, the drum man. You see me? So I wish I had a song for it. Go, me go my 2, 1, 2. You have one more song for it, bro. Never. I can't remember now. Where's the on it now? One more song.
Song again.
I'm not supposed to have buff on this now, but anyway, 9/9 rhythm to me. In that time there, it is hot.
Yeah, man, hot rhythm.
Yeah, hot rhythm. And I think and another producer did build a little cut off fight still. I not call him name. Yeah, you see me, but 9/9, bad. It was one of them rhythm. Even the church people did love it. Cause
everybody loved that rhythm.
People used to say, you can't get the version from me, just want the version alone, just to play one thing. And the man say mimic it. Cause as me tell you say, 9/9 rhythm was one of the rhythm where I say, yeah, it connect with me on a level. I say, Jano, Steely and Steely go hard really. Make a rhythm like this, you know. Remember I say Captain Barky and Wicker Man.
Have song
on it. Captain Barky sang the name what name? Wine Baby.
Wine Baby Wine.
And then Wicker Man.
Yeah.
Did have a song named Boongo Walk. You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that complete rhythm. So the whole artists were different. Everybody, that was like the whole complete set of artists that was on that rhythm where from that play, your party done right there. So the rhythm they shot. As I say, as people here 9/9, them have the little Kumina dance they used to do to it. Yeah, we have to go back and get a color for dance all the rhythm. So you say 9/9 now, as I say, one of them real authentic dancehall rhythm will go back to the roots. As I say, Steely get inspired from the 9/9 thing and the Naya Bingy thing because his mother is 12 tribes. Who take the rhythm, Spoogie? Your point of view.
Mr. G, to me, take the rhythm.
And
also Wicker Man. And Lexus.
All right. From my side, I know, because you take them there already. You know. You'd have Bling Dog. And you'd have, who again to know? Me tell you about Determined.
Yeah.
Because somebody tell them go and let them play. Determined, take it too. So the Bling Dog, the Determined, take it under them for me, them two songs. Plus, you know, you have the Captain Barky and Wicker Man. You see me, them might be.
Yeah.
You see me, but me can tell you, say, Determined, wrapping up rhymes, shot.
Yeah, go hard on it.
Yeah. All right, Spooky, how you rate the rhythm? It's a ratted rhythm or a classic rhythm?
Ratted rhythm.
You know, say, it's a one time where I don't go bias. It's a ratted rhythm, you know. But also, it's a classic. So it's a ratted classic rhythm. You see me? And you got very few rhythms that get the ratings. So me have to get the both of them. It's a ratted classic rhythm. 9/9 rhythm, bad.
Yeah, man, bad.
Steely and Cleveland. Yeah, man, big up. This is Music Phil.
And this is DJ Spooky.
And this has been Fling Back.
Ratted Rhythm Review.
All right, cool. Yeah, Music Phil, DJ Spooky. Well, this has been Yardstyle Live. Do remember to click, like, share, and subscribe to Yardstyle Live on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. Yardstyle Live. Yes, so we keep it real. Music Phil says so.
Static at them, Yardstyle life, road open again. Outside, we out here, send every poster. Me nah miss no event. Every party, you see me where you say no see me. You know see road open again. Might as well me go sell the bed. Dirt bunks me catch up my friend. We have braff money enough they have to spend. Yardstyle life, say them fully charge up. Plug in like charter boat. We outside, we no shot at close. Be a party, girl I wet up with water hose. We have the ass support. We fully charge up. Plug in like charter boat. Molly girl a pop and press with half a dose. Yardstyle a star, me and actor. Them know how we start the show. House party I coulda beat and Yardstyle life off a reach one. Right now, girl a bubble up and rum each fan. Shelly belly have a girl in a the rubbish fan.